think it's live now. Let me see. Gotta double check. All right. Let's see we are live or not. Gonna double check. And we are. Hello everyone. Welcome to the first ever live in this channel. Um, I've participated in one of the community challenges on TradingView, this one, and there are 23 days left to do it. So I wanted to do live every day, maybe maximum 1 to 2 hours. We do the training together, we talk, we have fun, um, discuss, and we learn new things. So this is why I wanted to do it together, because this is sort of a new area for me, and having this beauty and to share it with you guys, it's always a pleasure. So I normally trade gold, and I'm pretty happy with it, even though sometimes the moves are not as clear as they are, but gold is life, I guess. So let's do it. Usually I try to do pre-market, and then once the market open, maybe the first hour of the market when it's open, and then I'm done. I don't do trading more. So between 5:30 a.m. till 6:30, because market opens at 6:30. Um, that will be my first. What's happening? Let me check. There's probably an issue here. Okay. Problem solved. So the move of gold, dollar is supposed to drop. That means gold should go up, because they have correlation together. From what I see from dollar right now, is dropping. I don't see any move yet from gold. So I am, from what I see, I'm gonna go bullish on it. So my strategy for today is that I think gold should come probably till here, and if I can have the bullish till there, would be good. And based on what I'm saying this, because first of all, there is no news. I think dollar would drop till here, 105. So I'm gonna go in long position here. Let's do it. So first position is in, and we want to have a take profits. Probably will be here, and then stop loss be here. Sort of like a 1:1 ratio. Yeah. First trade of the day. We're in. I'm gonna do it one for you guys to see it better. There you go. You're in with the minus 800. Okay. Now just gonna add another thing. So so the reason I like pre-market is that usually the moves are more. See, like when the news comes, there's so much volatility in the market, and it's tricky to trade because it's the risk that you do it on those times is higher. Usually, when you go on a position, it's a 50-50% chance that 50% you're right, 50% you're wrong, and that's okay during the normal time because the volatility is not that high, so you can sort of control it, control your risk management. But once you don't know what you're doing, you don't know your risk management, you get in, you lose money because it goes so fast and it hits all your targets, and then it goes to the direction that you were predict. But for this, I would prefer always pre-market because it has some moves, but it is volatile, but it's not that much that you cannot catch it, and it's pretty smooth. So from 5:30 till 6:30 is my heaven spot. Even sometimes I would go like 5 minutes trading, like I get a position at 5:30, and by 5:35 I'm done. So it also happens. So let's see if today we'll hit our target or not. Let's go, baby. So let me explain about the contest that I'm doing. So to be able to win this is that I need to be in the top 5 traders. And the first trader right now did 13K profit, which is good. So how it works is that TradingView would give you $100,000 capital, and it give you a month. So if you can make that to 145,000, that's a goal. You would probably be one of the top 5 people. So right now, the first person made 13K profit, and the 10th is 11, almost 12K, and there are 7,000 people right now doing it. So this is the competition. So if we make it till here, we are at, I think yesterday we were at 7,000 profit, but then I made 2 trades, both were lost. I think it was minus 5K, something like that. Yeah. And yeah, gotta check the news if we have any news. Okay. No news. Nothing. Good. We are in a very calm area. Do. I wanna say for the first streaming is not going that bad, and I'm gonna add so much more to it. There will be better background, better lighting, and here we have actually a beautiful view. So I'm trying to maybe change the position of the camera so you guys can see the outside as well, and then how a night turns to a day through. Let me actually show you guys. I'm gonna show you. Why not? Hold on. So this is, by the way, this is the new place that I got. So there you go. Here's the view of the outside. Yo. Yes. So what's your prediction? Are we gonna hit 5K today? I think I hit 5K last week. I hit. It was my first time hitting 5K. I never had a experience to hit that number. And my goal is hit 5K and then hit 10K, 15, 20, and 25. So if I know the competition is 45K, I might do it. You never know. But my goal for the month of training is 25K, and I do on my both accounts. This is the TradingView account, and then there's another account that I work with. That one is small, so it's not as huge as this one, but that's real. So. Also, I'm trying to learn how to do long term. So what I do right now is scalping, price action, and I think it's good for those like me that they don't have enough capital and they want to increase their capital. I think this is the best way to do it. You do scalping, and you should be able to fairly, with the right risk management, you should be able to increase it. 2 times I opened an account with $500, and then I boosted to around 2,000. But since I'm still a newbie, I didn't have a proper risk management, and obviously I was greedy as well, that's for sure. So I liquidated both times, and then actually even the third time, cannot believe it. Then this time I've decided to, because like every person and also my mentor tells me you gotta have a strategy and you gotta know when to get in, when to get out, and then that's it. You need to know what are you gonna do in a day. So you have to know how many trades you want to do, what positions you want to get in. Like everything should be prepared in the morning, and then once everything is ready, you just come sit in front of the computer, you get into the positions, and then you just wait. And 50% of the time you're right, 50% of the time you're wrong, and that's the beauty of it. Let's see. Um, I Da, 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 da. I'm very excited. This live streaming is actually, it's going better than I expected it. See, like all this time I was trying to figure out how to add a camera and a mic to the computer and screen display and having the camera together. I couldn't do it, so that's why I wasn't streaming. Now I'm doing it, I love it. um, for those who know me and follows me before, um, they know. Oh my God, it's going up. Close, close to our. See, normally, if I, if I'm on my real account and I see this, I try not to be too greedy. Like this area, for me, based on the profit that it takes, I think it's good. I will close the position right now, right here. But there are many times that I predicted that it will hit those points, but I closed early and it hit. I was like, why did I close it? Because I put it there. So now I would say it will hit. This would come till here. Okay. But there are so many times I was wrong as well. Like it will come probably till here, and then I didn't close it, and then goes all the way back. So that's also happened, and it might happen. You cannot, like, you never know what will be the move of the market. But hey, 50-50. Let's see. Probably this is a zone that it will. Yeah, yeah. This is another zone. That if it holds, it will go higher. If it drops, it might not go higher. Because for me, this looks like a cup as well. So this is a cup. And then usually there's a handle to a cup. So that's why I will close it probably here. There you go. So um yo, you guys need to tell me what I, what should I do for the lives. Have to improve it, have to make it better. If there's anything that I should know or I should do, just let me know, because this is also my first time. Never done it before, and it's very exciting. See, it's dropping. So two things can happen when you do the cup. Mm. So normally this is the zone that should turn back. So probably to here, I would say. So it can come to this area and then go back up again. And then we hit our target. Sometimes. Usually this should happen. If not, if it comes till here, if it doesn't hold, it will go down. If it holds, so since it hits, it bounced from here, so we can target till here. Because the previous position that we moved in, we didn't have any information. Now we do have information. So this is the zone that market likes to bounce based on the previous ones and based on what just happened here. Yes, yes, yep. Let's see. Also, there is one guy that I try to follow him or at least be online on his channel. It's Josh. Trade for Eternity. Um, I don't know if it will be a good idea his sound be on the my live as well. So I'm gonna do it today. If there is some issues or if there is something that I shouldn't do, please let me know. But I'm gonna put his channel on. You're gonna hear his voice as well. He's a pretty loud guy. Very nice. So let's do it. It says 89% people are bullish, like they're positive that this goes up. We are positive as well. So we'll see. We'll see. We will see. Okay. I'm gonna put his channel on. See what he has to say. He usually comes at 6, 30 minutes before market opens. Well, we come at 5:30, 1 hour before the market opens. I'm just gonna put some stop loss on the other account. So just actually let me have a look to take profit first. So this should go 18.80. That should be about it. We are still positive. $23.09. Let me put the stop loss for it as well. So 23.9. Oh, that's a lot. trying to realize the risk management on this, because not apparently, but I'm pretty sure that my biggest issue is the risk management. That uh, the ratios I put sometimes they're good, but I resist. So I'm like, I predict that it will turn around, but it doesn't, and it just goes like lower and lower and lower, and then I'm like, yeah, it turns and turns, and then I'll open my eyes like minus like $800 or even 1,000, and I'm like, this shouldn't be this number. This should be maximum 10 or 20 minus. So, yeah, I definitely have struggled with the right risk management, and I have to practice on to let it go. You're wrong. Like in the first probably 10 seconds, the first once you open the position, you will realize that if your position was right or wrong. And one of my biggest, so usually when you do 1 minute trading, it's the best if you don't hold it for that long. Um, it would recommend it like try to close the position under 5 minutes. Yo, I'm trying to fix this. Uh, I'm gonna be back soon, but I'll be back. Hold on, cause I have to connect this. All right, there you go. Problem solved. There you go, it's daylight now. Alright guys, we're back. Um, yo, I missed. Okay, here. Let me put this back. So guys, now we actually hit our goal. Look. So this is the higher high. Now higher low, higher high. So there's a chance that it goes higher, more. So here is the greed comes in. Would you open to go another position or not? That's the thing. See, we open a position. So for those of you, sorry I lost the um, connection for a while, but we are back again, and Josh is also here. I'm trying to keep him as quiet as possible, but hey, he's a loud guy. So let me put this here. So guys, right now, it hits our target, and we made. Let me see. How much we made? $5,120. So we hit 5K again. Pretty good. So what happened? I have an alarm at 6 a.m. and then my alarm rang exactly at the time that it was pumping. Yeah. I have that strong feeling that it will go till here since there's no sign of lowering. Um, and possibly it can go, but remember there should be always a pullback as well. Right now, from what I see here, there is no pullback and there's no sign of it yet. But here, what do you guys think? Should we do another position, or we should close the day with 5K? Because at this point, usually I will stop training. That's the usual. But since it's our first time doing the live, so I want to keep it as interesting and entertaining as possible. I think what I'm gonna do, if this comes up here, I will go another buy position. If it goes up, it went up. So I will wait if the market hits this zone, and then I'll get a position for. Or there's always a pullback. So if it hits here, I might get a short position. Let's see. We're gonna see. But it's almost close to the end of my trading time and being live. I think right now it's 45 minutes. exciting. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see. I think dollar dropped so much. There you go. That's why. Look at dollar. It even lower than 105. So when we were here this morning, when we were talking, we were here. Okay, let me. Since now we're getting used to putting marks, so we started at 5:30, right? It was here. Dollar was here, and it was dropping, and we predict that it comes to this zone. As you can see, it even went further, and now it's here. So let's see the other zones. Here is the gap, and bounce it from here, which is a pretty solid zone. So I'm gonna add another zone here because I see a potential zone. So it bounced here, went up, came down. Damn, GDX dropped. Let's see how the market is doing. Market is up. Wow. Nice. Yo, AMD and Nvidia, look at this. Nvidia is crazy. I mean, have you seen this chart? Look at Nvidia. Do you guys believe this? 144% from when? This is here. From here, this is January 2024, like 4 months ago. Look at that. And now, it's crazy. It might go even all-time high. It is possible. So this would go here, all-time high. It's possible. Anyway, we go back to gold. We're happy with gold. Oh, there you go. It hits, it drops. Okay. I would. So, from here, I would go on a sell position, but from the experience that I've learned, the best time when you get a position around 5:30 a.m., around 6:20, every time I open a position, I was in a loss. I'm not gonna do it again. And from what I see, if this thing drops off here, which is dropping already right now, so um, from here, since it uh, I mean, for this is pretty much bullish from what I see. Now it's the time that it creates kicks in. Is like, should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? Relatively No, I shouldn't. This is a pullback that we were talking. So if it continues, this pullback should come till here. So this should hit this zone. And from here, since right now we don't have any confirmation which direction the market's gonna go, so it's a gray area. Um, if it comes back here and past this zone, which is all the confirmation we have right now, it will so this is the next zone, but I don't think it will go at this today till there. See, like every day there is a certain amount of move that market makes. More than that, I mean, it usually it won't go beyond that. So like 5%, 2%, 4%, and let's see, let's see. So let's from where we opened the position to where it went. 48 cent per well, 0.48%, and that's not even 1%. That means we still have plenty. Keep in mind there is no news today, so we shouldn't expect high movements as well. So since it's coming close to this zone, and it's a pullback, I really want to go and buy right now. What do you guys think? Should we go? Bull? Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. You're in. You're back in again. So yeah, I don't want to go push it too much, so I think here. And the stop loss, well, to be honest, if it passed this zone, this line here, yeah. Caledonia, sellers are coming. 5 more minutes till the market opens. Usually I predict um, puts usually better. So when it goes down, I would usually perform better than when it goes up, even though it shouldn't be that way. It should be reversed because usually having like predicting going up is easier apparently. But yeah, let me adjust the stop loss and take profit so we don't get stressed out about it anymore. So this ratio is 1 by 1. So 1% I'm right. If it's this one is a 50-50. But if it hits, I'll be happy for the day. Let's go with it. Alright, I'm gonna adjust these. Take profit. 23, 22, 23. That's my take profit. So based on this candle, it's a strong buy. It's not strong compared to others, but since it's full, that means buyers are still in the market. So still there's a chance. Let's see. It says we were so this morning we were on the strong buy, and then now we reduced to buy because of this move that it did. 2 minutes till the market opens. I told you guys, whenever I go in a position right before the market, I lose that position every time. Every time, most of the time. But since this is the first time together, I want to show you. So it's fine if we lose it. It's totally okay. And even though they said, my mentor always telling me, sit on the cash, sit on the cash, sit on the cash. That means protect the cash. Don't lose it. See, the normal average return from the market should be 5% per month. Based on your capital, you can decide how much is that 5%. And if you're planning to do it long term, you need to be able to utilize this. So let's say it's coming down. Let's say you're, oh, actually, let me put the stop loss for this. 23.17. Stop loss. Oh my god. 1 minute till the market. This is there you go. Market is open. So it's very close to my stop loss right now. And it will hit it. Just watch. Ta-da! There you go. Exactly at 6:30. um, You can jump on a trend and then like shorten. Then it will go lower. It go way lower. Yeah, well, I'm gonna jump in again. This time I will do a sell. And this one will be short to just, if it hits still here, take it out. Michael. Whew, it's going up. I don't mind it to go up. So I'm bullish on one of my accounts and I'm selling it on this one. My prediction for this is that it will come to here and then it bounce back up. Or not. If it comes to here, I will close this position. There you go. I'm gonna close this. And then here, let's do another one. This time we're gonna go. Yo, I shouldn't do this usually, but hey, we're gonna keep it entertaining, right? There you go. This time I get it. So I went to buy position again. I will put the take profit here. And then I'll put the stop loss here. There you go. This is the last trade of the day. After this, I'm not gonna do any more trades. For this one, that's on. Okay, I'm gonna put the take prof stop loss at 23. 16. 23.16. Alright. Let's see. Last trade of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the first live. Once again, let me know what do you think. anything to improve, anything to not to do. But overall, thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support, all the good energies that you guys giving me. We're gonna keep doing this. Now I just realize how to do the live stream. Uh, you know, it's pretty exciting. And for those of you who would watch this later, um, let me know if there's you guys have any questions. Um, I will try to do my best to answer all the questions based on my knowledge I have. And if there's not something that I don't know, I will ask my mentor about it, and I will let you know, guys. I have the best mentor, and I was really lucky during my life. I had different mentors in different areas that they would teach me without any expectations or anything. And I really appreciate that, having those people in my life. So usually, um, as I mentioned, that I do pre-market. There are some certain times that the market gets this buffer that it goes up or down. Um, Usually 5:30 till 6:30, and then around 7:30 till 8:30, because that's the last hour of UK market that it closes, so market gets a bit pushed. And then 12 to 1, that's a rush hour. Well, I will wait for this position to close, and then I'll end the stream. I am hungry to eat. I might even close this position earlier, because usually these moves are a bit unknown, so and I don't want to get trapped in it. So from here, let's recap. Okay. So far, whatever we predict, it went exactly as we said. So let's try to understand these. We made the higher high here, right? This is the highest. So boom, 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 and then it goes down, and then it goes up, and it goes down, and it goes up. But since this didn't go higher than this one, that doesn't give you any sign of bullish. So if this, Josh is horning. If this goes till here, that means this is the sign of bullish. So we will keep the position and it might go till here. But if this drops probably till here, that means it's gonna go down. So these are the confirmation we get. But based on the chart and this probably will go higher. So probably will go till here. You're making so many drawings. But there you go. It passed. So now I'm bullish that this will go to here. See, it's always a 50-50. It might not go right now because this is already a big candle. But since it did this, it will go in. So, okay, I'm gonna delete these, make it more clean, clear. There you go. Go, go. Since I did this, it might even go higher than that, but I don't want to get too greedy. I'm happy here. Like this would be the time that I would just go and make a breakfast. But since you guys are here, we'll wait. Yeah. Montana. Andona Montana. Push, push. Spike up. Alright, I'm gonna go bring some stuff to eat because I need to get ready for the gym. Yo, banana time. Okay. Sheesh. Drop. Where did those save the video? Trying to find the video. Um, there you go. Here you are. No way. I made the position. God damn. Oh, I stopped recording after that, actually. Okay, okay. Add this medium. Since I'm gonna put it on a fast pace. Alright. Meanwhile, that I'm waiting for the manga, I'm also editing a video that I want to put right now at Storia. So, um, I need to make a speed run. Yeah, don't get too much fun. This should go even on. Okay, okay. Should go a bit faster. All right. What I want to do is that I want to open another timeline. Right now I'm editing the video, so I want to make it vertical and then edit this stuff. I'm gonna redo the video because it looks really cheesy and funny, but it's fine. I'm gonna still have. See, every time, I knew. Okay, I'm gonna redo. See, that's why I don't like to do any trading when the market opens. Pre-market is so much fun and better. I'm gonna put a background video too. I just feel like I'm doing it. Um. Trying to find my YouTube videos so I can extract one of the backgrounds that I wanted to use. There you go, I found it. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Alright, yeah, this is. Okay, let's back to this drum and see what's happening. Alright, I think I'm gonna close this position because I don't see it to go higher than this. Anyway, just go right now. But let me see. Yo yo yo. What do you think? Should we keep it or should we let it go? Let it go. Let. Um. Yeah. I will keep it for a while. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. But I'm gonna end my stream, guys. I will disconnect this. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me. And I will see you tomorrow morning again. How about that? Yeah, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.